So in this video, you'll learn how to install Spotify on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A26 or A36. So the first step when it comes to installing Spotify is to choose where you're going to be installing from. So you have the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've made your choice, just tap on either option to launch the app. And then from here, you want to use the search function and then you want to type in Spotify and then search. Once you've searched, you should see it appearing in the search results. So just tap on it to select it and then simply select install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been downloaded onto your phone, you can tap on open to launch it, or you can navigate to the home or apps drawer, look for the app icon from there, and then once you found it, just tap on it to launch Spotify and go through the process of signing in with your account so that you can start listening to Spotify on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.